வச்சிருவாங்க முன்னாடி இங்கே வச்சுட்டு அது பாட்டு எடுத்து பாரு.
Great, so good evening everyone, and welcome to the glass boat. My name is Juma. I'll be a captain for this boat. For your own safety, please do not try to touch the water with your fingers, yeah? Okay. Because we have so many fish which is known as trevally. Those are the trevally, yeah? They are the common fish, we have them here. Very, very aggressive fish. If you try to touch the water, the one hesitates, but will bite your finger immediately. Now for the clear view, let's watch from the near here. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. We're on top of 10 million liters of the sea water. The deepness of this water is 11 meters deep. Inside the main tank, we have 20,000 fish, 85 species and 300 sharks. They live in here. 300 sharks. The corals down there, they're all fake ones, yeah? Those are plastic corals, artificial corals, yeah? You know, the reason why we have a plastic coral in here, because most of the species they like to eat the live coral, yeah? Not only the food what we give to them, but the coral as well. That's a zebra shark, one which is lying at the bottom, the one with the black spot, yeah? Yeah. That's a zebra shark.
What is special? What is it? What is it? Zebra type.
Sorry?
Special for zebra shark.
Huh?
Zebra, it's a very
Zebra
shark.
Yeah.
What is special? What is different from the other fish? What is why it's different from other anything different from other fish? The one is
difference.
No, I give it the name.
Name.
The
Oh.
shark.
This
This is a black tip ring shark.
How much is the depth? Water depth? 11 feet?
11 meters deep.
11 meter. And the side இருக்கு இங்க தெரியுது. That's it. Come.
Alright, if you look behind you, we have a cage which is known as shark cage, yeah? The purpose of this cage is to feed our shark. Here in aquarium, we feed them at 2 o'clock in the afternoon every day, and we feed them only once a day. We give them milkfish, tuna, and squid. That is their favorite food. Now, if you look down there, we have those two big sharks right there.
Big shark.
The name of those sharks, we call them sun tiger sharks.
Sun tiger.
Very, very
Tiger
aggressive shark in this aquarium. You know, for instance, if they're hungry, you try to give them the metal, they can bend it properly using their powerful jaws. They have that power to crush 300 good kgs if you take it into their mouth. And guess what? We don't have 1 or 2 or 3 in here. We have 50 of them, 50.
50.
Yeah, they're from South Africa, yeah? 3.5 meters long.
3.5 meters long.
Very, very aggressive, yeah? And it's a family of the great white shark. The water is so clean because the same water we keep on recycle 24 hours, yeah? We never change the water here.
அங்க பாரு.
That is the platform. I believe we visit that area there, where we feed those aggressive fish, the trevallies, yeah? There we feed them after every 3 minutes we have to feed them. They're like eating machines.
Oh.
They never get tired. We always get tired feeding them, yeah?